May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore, sir?
Yeah, I am Krishna Kumar. We are put up in Nandi Garden, JP Nagar 9th place.
How old is your child?
My son is now 3 years 4 months.
What were you looking for your child?
We want a better education, self-confidence, and he has to be independent, take over all the things, like whatever, like he should be very much independent.
We were very particular that not only the routine education, but also something, that should not be any kind of pressure. The child should play and learn kind of thing. And would be interested in knowing, getting curious into learning so many things and also to get into certain things like kind of environment day celebration or, something to learn and to give back to the society.
A better person in society.
Yeah.
Which other play schools did you consider?
We have gone to check all the local schools in and around JP Nagar 9th phase. We have been to Chetna. We have seen a board of C-Kids and other schools and all. And then we have visited Eurokids also. Which one did you finally choose and why?
Eurokids, which has a very big campus. The child was not cramped in a small place. And the faculty was very nice here.
We were very much convinced when we came here because, as you told, the infrastructure was really good. Then we met the teachers over here, we met the in charge over here, they explained us and the kind of concept, the curriculum we had, the concepts we had, and we visited the campus and we found that it's going to be fun for our kid and also a lot of things, not much pressure on the education. It will be like, learning while playing kind of. Yeah. So we're happy about it.
How has your experience been with Eurokids JP Nagar 8th phase?
Yeah, very much good.
Based on your experience, tell me two best things what you like about Eurokids JP Nagar 8th phase.
There are a lot of things actually we like, but we will just, like we told, we like the kind of, the whole concept, the way teachers deal the kids here. They feel like kind of home and like Adi is like very much comfortable coming to school. He's like happy to come and learn few things and the concept based study, the field trips. And the kind of involvement that they have with the parents in the school, like a lot of activities planned together with the parents and a lot of fun activities, certain things like environment day, certain things like orphanage, right? We had a sponsorship program for the poor kids and all. So it was all good. We did something. We enjoyed the whole year.
And he is very much interested to go to school. Like it's not like that he's bugging like just to get up. Just, I don't want to go to school like that. He's very much interested.
This was his first year and we were very scared how he will be like.
Actually the day one, like we were more tense, like how he goes, how he joins, like how he mingles with other kids. It was a very simple experience, like he was very much comfortable. He didn't cry first time. He was fine. He dropped in the doorstep. He carried it. Just everything was absolutely fine.
So it was a good experience.
Anything that could be better?
Better in the sense they have to keep it up the same thing. Promises things forever.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you recommend Eurokids JP Nagar 8th phase to other parents?
We'll go with the 5.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.